In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to easily change time zones in WordPress. Changing the time zone in WordPress is important for ensuring that time-related functions and displays on your website are accurate and consistent with your location or the audience that you're targeting. As you can see, this is my WordPress website, and to change the time zone, simply hover over Settings in the sidebar and click on General. Scrolling a little, you can find this time zone option over here. Click on the drop-down menu next to Time Zone and select your time zone from the list. You can either scroll through the list or start typing your city or time zone to quickly find and select it. You can either choose a city in the same time zone as you or a UTC. So let's select the time zone here. I'll select New York. And once done, simply scroll and click on Save Changes. And that's how easy it is to easily change time zones in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.